So the Ninja 7 Hybrid for a beginner bike seems a little heavy, but I don't really have anything to compare it to because it's kind of the first of its kind. It's 502.6 pounds, wet and ready to ride. Getting on the bike, standing it up, coming off the stand, it feels very similar to the Ninja 400. One thing I did notice while I was riding it up here is the wheelbase. It's a 5-foot wheelbase, or thereabout, which is about 6 inches longer than your Ninja 400. This is going to affect how quickly it turns in and how quickful the motorcycle is. I haven't got enough testing on it yet to really form a full opinion on that, but it does feel long.